Hi Domain, I'm Nicola Caras and I'm excited to give you a tour of my house. Come on in. We bought this house about 5 years ago. We've been here for 2.5 years. It was a pretty big renovation because we only kept the facade and the side walls. Everything else is new. One of my favourite parts of the house is probably the stairwell. I was pretty adamant that there were going to be lots of circles in the house. We really love furniture and art that has a bit of playfulness and fun to it. So I love my squiggle bench. Another one of my favourite things is the vintage floor lamp that was actually my friend's grandmother's lamp. So this is the dining area. A big table was a must because we love having family and friends over. I love the chandelier. It was actually handmade with paper mache. The buffet has rattan wallpaper that I think just creates a really beautiful colour and texture. The other thing I love is my spiky vase. It's the one thing that the kids are not allowed to touch or go anywhere near. These plates are by a local artist, James Lemon, and I love that they're just a little bit rude and challenging, and I love seeing people's reactions when they come in and read what they say. Coming in from the dining area, we've got more of those curved edges that I love. I love how the brickwork goes around like that. We've also got the circular edge on the bar area here, which is where we keep all our special little bits and bobs and things we've picked up on holidays. Lots of great brickwork here, which mirrors the bricks at the front of the house. And one of the things we said to the architects was that a green sunken lounge is a must-have. We couldn't live without a green sunken lounge. So this is it. Everyone always hangs out in here, and this is really the wow space of the house. Can't get enough green in this house. This is our kitchen. This piece of marble is probably one of my favourite things. Another one of my favourite things is this little lenticular painting that I actually saved out of hard rubbish. I love this guy who's just doing some weird things. One of the things that was really important to me was that the kitchen was open and that when we were cooking, we really felt like we were still part of what was going on in the rest of the house. I really wanted to do something cool, even in the laundry, because I do spend time in here, kid life. So we had the idea of just covering it in these dowels to give this scalloped edge, and I think it makes such a cool effect. This is our backyard. We've got my favourite plant here that we call Wednesday. We kind of treat it like a pet. But one of our real pets is Jay-Z. He's 14 years old. He's such a good boy. He's just having a bone. I didn't think I was a plant person until we moved into this house, and now I just love pottering around the garden. I love the fullness of the planting. The other thing that I really wanted was a round pool. One of the great things about it as well is how the planting comes all the way to the edge of the pool. You can actually smell the rosemary while you're swimming in it. We love colour and pattern, and we really are more is more people. So when we saw this wallpaper, we knew it would be perfect for the bedroom. One of the other things I love about our bedroom is that nothing really matches and it still kind of works. This is our bedroom balcony. On a clear day you can see all the way out to the bay. We actually see big ships coming in. The other thing I love about the balcony is you can see the garden really well, all the plants and the pool, and I'll often stand out here and have a coffee. Thanks so much for visiting our house. I hope it's inspired you to take risks and be really brave with your design choices too. Bye.